that we are not aware that you are conscious of the use of PVC. But we want you to prepare yourself well. The election we are about entering into is not an election of Thuggery. You can't deny that Emohua is not a battlefront. It is. And if we have to win, just like we've been winning, we need to get these numbers well and secured. We shouldn't rest on our oars that look, we have 500,000 per unit or 150,000 per ward. But we need to go far above that because we want to make a statement in this state. Something happened in 2019. Some people are making noise that they did something. I saw a video where somebody saying he did something behind one tomato. But you see, they did something because of what? They carried the army. Is it not? We're not talking about army anymore. We're talking about human beings that will vote for us.
Thank you.
So you see, this exercise is important. It's not just about when we say, look, we have the number. No, we don't. Even if we have the number, let us say we don't have the number and improve the number we have. That is why we are here. So please, I will urge the leaders of this LGA, go back, improve on what you have. Winning is not a problem, but winning and winning well. That is what we want. Winning and making a statement that notwithstanding what happened in 2019, we can still replicate that winning again. That is why this exercise is important.